Hello everyone, my name is Sabia Tabassum and I'm a student of SRK Institute of Technology in the IT department. So this year, in the month of January, I was placed in Cisco Systems as an intern, now as a full-time employee from the month of August. So in my college, from the third year, second semester to the first semester of the final year, I was gone through a number of trainings. Basically, the CRT training. CRT training is nothing but the campus recruitment training, in which we were taught the aptitude, the coding, and English vocabulary. But not only these, we were also told how to talk and how to face the panel interviews, and this has helped me a lot to crack the interview in Cisco, because there were numerous rounds. There were 3 rounds, which was the technical round, the MR round, the manager round, and the HR round. So these 3 rounds were going about like 40 to 45 minutes, and I did not break down at one single time also. And I believe that it is the confidence that we gain in the trainings that we had for such a long time, nearly 1 year training we had on this. So yeah, and in the earlier months of the third year, we were going into the NetACAD sponsored trainings, which was given to us free because our college was a partner of NetACAD, and that's why through the NetACAD website we had written online exams of cybersecurity and CCNA basics. For this, our faculty taught us for a 1-month training course despite of our curriculum, and thereafter we had written an online exam. There we got certified on it. Our college is a NetACAD partner, as I mentioned earlier. That is the reason we were placed into Cisco, because only the NetACAD colleges were eligible to take part in the Ideathon program 2020. Now 2021 also is going on. Because of that, we were given a golden opportunity to take part in the Ideathon program, through which we have grabbed an internship opportunity for us, which is now turned into a full-time employment for the month of August. The training for the Cisco recruitment process was also covered in the CRT training, because in the Ideathon process we were undergone the rounds where we had questions coming from the aptitude, networking, and coding, and which lead to the final interview rounds. So all these were covered in the CRT trainings, and we have gathered all the resources in which resources in the sense the questions and the expected questions which would be asked on the networking basics and the coding questions. So we had practiced a lot, and we had taken guide from all the senior people who were already placed in various companies of how to talk and how to confront the panelists in the interview. So I'm very thankful for my college to enable us to build up into a shape which enables us to stand in front of the world saying that yes, I am from Cisco and I have kick-started my career from a very big company coming from a very small college. But so this is a very big thing which we can say that from where you hail, like from where you come, whether it's a small town or a small college, it doesn't matter. This matter is what you have the skill set, and you have the right guidance and the right torch bearer to your destination. And yes, I am happy to say that my torch bearer and my guidance was my college. Happy to wear this badge of Cisco. I don't know whether it is visible. Yeah, it's visible. Okay, so this is a dream come true for me, because starting a career in such a big organization, and that too coming from a very small college, is a very big thing. So I would like to share my experience and my journey of coming into Cisco. So we had 7 rounds in total, where the first 4 rounds were based upon networking, coding, and your aptitude, where we had multiple choice questions, and thereafter we had 3 rounds of interview which lasted for 40 to 45 minutes each, where we were given some puzzles to solve and some technical questions were asked based upon our coding skills, because I stand from a information technology background, so they will ask based upon your background itself. Thereafter, I got selected to the HR interview and I landed into Bangalore in the month of January. Thereafter, I had 6 months of internship through the Ideathon, which ended in the month of June. Because of my excellent performance, maybe, or because of my good luck or my skill set which I got from my college, I was taken as a full-time employee from the month of August 5th, which was a very big day for me. Now I am working as a full-time employee, and this is my second month as a working employee. So I'm very happy to join such a big organization where there is so many ethics and so many values, and there's lots of things to learn. So I'm very grateful in the end of the day that it is my college and it is my skill set that has landed me into such a wonderful place I would never even imagine to be. It's like a dream come true for me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.